Good morning, Pips Hagankes. Today guys, it's Tuesday morning. So I don't know what we're gonna do today because my hubby has a lot of pain in his legs. So not only the legs, his foot, so he could not walk so longer. He's always quickly tired if we go out somewhere. So today I couldn't sleep longer. And you know what is the reason also? Because I'm always scared. Because in this chalet, in our living, where is the tiny table in the corner, there is a Chucky doll. It's so scary. If you poke to the side,
Where is the making noise?
it's nothing.
The eyes. Wait, kalbong mo na.
Oops.
So
The brain.
it's really dark.
What?
If you
Ano yan?
I could not put my finger
Hello.
Ay,
ways, but you could see this inside there is no one in it. Probably there is a children's who's renting a family with children and they're playing on it and take it away the eyes, or otherwise the owner did it in purpose because this is based for antique things inside, nature things. So it's like, you know, antique things. So my hobby is already wake up, and I'm going to the look. Good morning, darling. So ayaw niya. Yung ano niya, yung face niya nagkaroon pa ng ano kasi may machine. So,
Don't put nothing on the chest because it will make stains in the old food.
yeah, okay. So, he was saying this because I'm using this this morning because I woke up, I have something here. It's an insect bite to me. Wherever I go, excuse me, I'm always bringing some vinegar, but this is not a real vinegar. This is an cider vinegar. But it's helping because yesterday also, I have also a bite here. There is still here. It's still red, and also in my thumb downstairs in my foot. So it's so irritating, itchy. So I remember that I brought this. So this was already, it's good it's not yet expired because this is already a long time ago. So wherever I go on vacation, it's always with me because the time I don't have the normal vinegar. So I think it's more helping the white vinegar because that is an original, and this is also a very big help. The cider you can use for anything, you know. So I hope my husband I did not waking up so for my noise, but actually every morning I always will walk up so very slowly because I don't want that to bother to someone. But I don't know, because the doll heard in our dining table in the corner, it's really disturbing for me. The chocolate doll, you know, it's really scary. I don't know why the owner put that one there. So I also asking to my husband, can you ask that one to the owner why they put that one here? So but my husband is ashamed to ask to the owner, so I just leave it. But you know, I just don't want it to stay alone in the evening here. But anyway, we are always together with my husband, so I'm not scared with that one, except only in our place because he's always working if he went back to work. So I will be at the night, I will be alone. So but if I'm here, so I cannot say bye. I will be
Okay.
Guys, mga unta. Ito yung lunch namin ngayon. Lunch dinner na siguro to. Bihon, pancit bihon and canton mixed together.
And fried rice.
Topping with cheese.
Fried rice.
Fried rice also. And then with sunny side up eggs. Masarap, diba? And then Pepsi. Para yung view. The same clothes. Kayo biya mag liwan. You don't have to put additional because it's like already very tasty. Masarap. Santi. Thank you, darling. Honey buko. Hmm? Yeah.
It's cracking.
Huh?
It's cracking.
No, just wait. Okay, because maybe that was falling.
It's too far.
Think so?
It's not musical.
Yeah, there is also here on the side. I don't think that is not a clock.
Hope it fails.
Hmm?
And tomorrow it will go up in temperature.
That's nice.
Today is less.
I miss tea and ginger, and also my orange.